Link up. You are meeting me today. Link up.
What are your plans for today?
Today I'm going to win.
Are you going to race?
Winner takes all.
Madam, what are your plans for today?
It's a link up. I'm here to support the winning team. BMW, you know, right? We are always the winning team. No matter the model of the car, we are always winning. BMW for life.
On the track, we're about to have Prime go for his warm-up lap. Ciao. My money is on Prime.
Smell like Prime. Smell like justice.
so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. First niggas gotta find me. What's 50 grand to a motherfucker like me? Can you please remind me? Fall so hard, this shit crazy. Y'all don't know that don't shit phase. And that's the goal. Up for 82 when I look at you like this shit crazy. Fall so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. Fall so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. Fall so hard, fall so hard, fall so hard, please remind me. Fall so hard, shit. Fall so hard, shit. Got my niggas.
My guy.
It's a link up. I got. No, it's a link up. It's a link up. It's a fucking link up.
Ain't it Jay? What she order? Fish fillet. Yo, whip so cold. This whole thing. Act like you ever be around motherfuckers like this again. That she crack. Ain't it Jay? What she order? Fish fillet. Yo, whip so cold. This whole thing. Act like you ever be around motherfuckers like this again. Fall so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. Fall so hard, motherfuckers wanna find me. Fall so hard, fall so hard, please remind me. Fall so hard, go. Got my niggas.
That's what they call me. Yeah, it was good. You know, I was from the BMW Car Club of Ghana. So I brought my car out here. We got a good chance to race. And, you know, it's been a great time. So, you know, this is an excellent venue. And hopefully we can do it again. It's really good. I'm driving a 93 Mazda RX-7.
And what car did you race with?
That's what I raced with. I raced with the Mazda RX-7 today.
Okay, which car did you race against?
Against the F30 BMW. It's 328i. I think it was stock, but my car is old, so it's still slow. It's not where it needs to be right now, but at least got a little baseline to see how fast it is.
That's what it is. All right, thank you very much.
Link up.
How was the event today? Yes.
Oh, the event, yeah, everything was
It was good.
Made in a
you enjoy yourself today?
I said the F90 the boost for life. It's a link up.
What was your favorite car today? What was your favorite?
Obviously F90.
Okay.
F90.
Aside the F90.
Prime.
Prime. Tell us something.
Challenge 21st on this one, best party do.
Best party. Are we invited?
Challenge. One brother from the challenge. So what?
Right channel.
So today was a lovely day out at the Afenya airstrip with the program Air Attack. Lots of cars, lots of bikes, lots of beautiful women, lots of gentlemen as well. The planes flew. We had many interesting races. I think Prime took most of his races. I don't think he lost any. So he'll probably be the reigning champ. But all in all, it was very beautiful. The F90, very fast. Fastest car.
I'll say the fastest. I'll say it's the fastest so far.
Yeah. Unfortunately, the Porsche that was supposed to race against didn't show, but very beautiful day.
Yeah, it was. So, like, share, subscribe.
It's a link up.
Is it what?
It's a fucking link up.